I'm making this video because I already have earned this much amount of money and more than that. So don't worry, because बहुत सारे लोगों को अब ये डाउट होगा कि यार अगर तुम ये वीडियो बना रहे हो तो क्या सच में तुमने पैसे कमाए इस तरीके से या फिर यूजिंग द फ्रीलांसिंग. Yes, I already have earned that, and that is the reason I'm making this video, and I'm sharing my complete entire experience how to do that and how you can earn your first 10,000 rupees using the freelancing just by using your phone, maybe in the next 30 days or even less than that as well. And also you can watch this video at a speed of 1.5x so that you can complete this video very quickly. I already have created a lot of videos regarding how you can earn 1 lakh per month, 2 lakh per month or more than that as well using the freelancing or maybe using your skills. But if you want to touch that figure, firstly you will have to start from scratch. Firstly you will have to start from a small amount, maybe 1,000, 2,000, 5,000 or let's say 10,000 rupees as well, because if you're not earning that, you can't hit that bigger milestone. So for that, the very first tip or the very first thing that you have to do is you have to choose a profitable niche or the skill. See, the reason I'm talking about the choosing a profitable niche, because if you are choosing any random niche, yes, you can grow into that niche, you can build your personal brand and you can earn a lot of money as well. But the time and the efforts that you will need to scale that skill, to earn from that skill, would be hard as compared to the profitable niches that are out there currently into the market, right? So try to choose a profitable niche. Now, what are the different types of profitable niche or the skills? There are a lot of niches and the skills. If you want to know about those niches or the skills, just let me know into the comment section and I'll create a new video. But for now, let's say graphic designing is there, content creation is there, content writing is there, social media marketing is there. So these are the few skills that are out there which are so popular and you can earn a lot of money. These are the skills that are currently into the demand, right? So you can start, let's say right now, just take an example of social media marketing, right? And you know social media marketing, you know Facebook advertisement. You can help companies to grow, to get the revenue, to get the sales using the Facebook advertisement. Now this is the kind of a niche or the skill that you have, that is the Facebook ads, right? And this is a profitable niche. You can earn, you can charge a lot of money. So choosing a right, again I'm telling you, you can choose that, but the efforts and the time that you will need to get the leads through that skill would be harder. So try to choose a profitable niche, and it is not something ki you don't know that skill, how do I choose that? It is completely easy. Start learning that skill, start upskilling yourself, start practicing that skill daily. You can learn through YouTube courses, Udemy courses, free stuff, by reading the articles and a lot more things. But if you are not comfortable choosing a profitable niche and you only want to go with the niche that you are currently in or you are good at, definitely go for that for sure, because that's where you will enjoy doing that stuff for the next maybe 5, 10, 15, 20 years as well, right? Now moving ahead, the second important step is to building a portfolio, a strong portfolio. Because see, if you want to get the clients, if you want to pitch your services to the clients, for sure they will ask you for your portfolio or maybe the prior work that you have done so far, because no one will directly give you the work just by like having a talk with you. Yes, they can definitely give you the work without even looking into the portfolio, just by looking into your online presence. We'll talk it into the next steps, but for now, just build a strong portfolio. Now you would be like, Aniket, I don't have a portfolio, how do I build that? Or I don't have done any work prior to this, how do I do that, right? See, even if you don't have a portfolio, that's absolutely fine. Let's say if you know Facebook advertisement, right? What you can do, just run some ads, just run some campaigns only for your business to get the leads. Even let's say talk about the web development, right? Just build a website, great website for yourself too, so that you can just mention all your skills, the skills that you have, the things that you know regarding the website development or any another stuff. You can just mention your things into that portfolio or the website itself. This website will act as a strong portfolio for yourself because you already have done that. Let's say if not that, what you can do, you can have a word with your friends, you can have a word with your family members or the business owners, with your relatives as well, and just hire them or work for them as a beta clients, right? Because those customers, those clients would be your beta clients. Start selling your services for free. I'm talking, don't even charge a single penny. Just build a website, run Facebook ads for free for their businesses, right? And let's say 2 to 3 clients you can get. Those customers, those clients would be your beta clients, and you will have a strong portfolio to showcase in front of the another clients to pitch them, right? So just do this. I'm sure for sure it is easy to get the beta clients, because if you are doing something for free for them, that will actually help them to have a great online presence, to have a great website. They will definitely tell you, yes, I'm ready, and you can build a website, right? And what you can do, you can just ask for a testimonial. If you are not taking the money, just ask them, I will build a website for you for sure, but in return of that, I just need a video testimonial or a text testimonial from you of my work, and it would be great for you to showcase your services. Now moving ahead, the third important thing, the most important thing is choosing a platform. Now there are multiple platforms that you can choose to get the clients, to pitch your services, to build your personal brand. Let's say Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, then LinkedIn is there, then YouTube is there. A lot of platforms are out there using which you can get the clients, but my favorite is LinkedIn. The reason behind is key, you will get a lot of clients, you will get the potential customers or the prospects through LinkedIn that will pay you higher amount of money, or it would be easy for you to build a personal brand, strong personal brand onto the LinkedIn. Let's say if you want to build a personal brand on YouTube, let's say if you want to build a personal brand on Instagram, then over there you will have to shoot the videos, you will have to record the videos, and if you are not that much comfortable with the camera, if you are not that much comfortable with recording a video of yourself, or maybe facing the camera, because onto the YouTube and Instagram you'll have to upload the reels to get the engagement, to get the reach, right? And if you're not comfortable with that, just go with the LinkedIn. LinkedIn is the best platform, networking platform, to build a personal brand just by using the text based content. You don't have to even post a video as well, right? So this is the best platform that you can go for, and it has helped me a lot till now. So just choose a LinkedIn, just choose a right platform. The reason I'm talking about the LinkedIn, just because as I told you, you will get the right prospect onto the LinkedIn, and you can build a strong personal brand. You can get a lead through LinkedIn just by using the right LinkedIn lead generation strategies. Now moving ahead, the fourth important tip, the most important thing is keep finding the clients. Let's say you know Facebook ads, you know website development, you are an expert into that, you also have built a personal brand, and let's say you already created a good profile onto the LinkedIn, but what next, right? Because if you are not getting the clients, how can you earn money? How can you upskill yourself? How can you charge a lot of money? The most important thing is getting the clients. So start pitching your services to the clients. Now how do you find the clients? See, let's say if you are chosen the LinkedIn, right? Now start posting the content regarding related to your niche. Let's say you already have chosen a niche of website development. Now you don't have to post the content related to fitness, related to traveling and any another stuff. Just stick to one niche. Just have a right content pillars, decide your content buckets, and on top of that, start sharing the content, start sharing the posts, the experiences that you have, or then start networking with the right people with the right strategies, so that they can accept your request and you can start selling your services. And this is the best way to finding the clients on LinkedIn. Now there are a lot of ways, like hundreds of ways are there to finding a clients on LinkedIn, but if you are not active onto the LinkedIn, if you are not building a personal brand, if you are not sharing the content, you can't get the clients. This is the harsh truth. So that just start building your personal brand, and finding the clients is not that much hard. So you can pitch your services, just connect with the right folks. Let's say if you are a website development, now you have to think who will buy my services, who will need my services. Let's say if you are a web developer, then business owners, or let's say the new startups and the new freelancers will need your services. Now I know, I'm really sorry, this is kind of a different setup, but just because of this mic, it got like discharged, so I couldn't record rest of the video. Actually I had recorded it, but it didn't have our audio, so I had to reshoot this completely. So back to the main topic, you will have to start finding out the clients and all the rest of the ICPs and the target audience that I told you. You will have to target these kind of people, B2B founders, agency owners, or anything. Let's say if you are as I told you, graphic designers, then new brands will need your services. Then start reaching out to these new brands, start pitching your services, so that they can definitely for sure buy your services. And the last one, which is the fifth one, which is the client closing, the most important thing. Reason I am telling you is because let's say if you already have built everything. Let's say if you have chosen the platform, let's say even if you have built the portfolio, you have chosen the niche which is profitable, you also have like found the clients, but if you are not closing that client using your skills, it will not help you to generate the revenue right at the end. So try to close all the clients, not all, because industry ratio is kind of 10 to 14% is the client closing ratio. So try to come up with your discovery calls. So try to close as much prospects as you can, and for that you will need sales skills, for that you will need a good communication skill. So try to focus more on your sales knowledge. Trust me, when I was a beginner back in 2000, like beginner into this field itself, back in 2019 or 20, I was thinking कि यार sales तो कुछ important skill नहीं है, sales क्यों सीखना है. But the way like slowly and steadily I got to know about the importance of this skill, then I started learning about that, and also I focus more on the communication skill because it is the most important thing. If you are not good with the communication skill, if you are not good with the sales skills, I would say it will actually not help you to close the client. So focus more on the sales skills, focus more on like communicating with your friends, try to have a good communication with all the prospects that you have, and try to pitch your services, which will actually help you to build your business and get the revenue for your freelancing journey. And trust me, let's say if you are providing a website development services where you are charging 5,000 rupees to build a website, you only need 2 clients just to earn your first 10,000 rupees, and it would be really easy to get just 2 clients using the LinkedIn into the next 30 to 45 days, right? This will only happen if you have a strong personal brand and a lead generation strategy and the right roadmap. So just follow these 5 things I thought I should tell you, and trust me, if you are following these things, I'm pretty sure you'll get the clients and you'll start earning the money, and also you'll hit your first 10,000 milestone using your phone just by using the freelancing skill that you have. I thought I should create this video. If you found this video, don't forget to like to this video, and also do share this video with your friends so that they can also get to know about this freelancing journey and they can also start earning the side income. And also, if you want me to create some more videos onto the different topics, do let me know into the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed yet, do hit that red color subscribe button and also hit that bell icon so that whenever I will post a new video, you will get the notification. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in the next video.